Avoiding implementation failure. Most organizations spend lots of time investigating the functional capabilities, business benefits, and anticipated costs of their chosen ERP solution. Then, once the project gets underway, they see costs go up, delivery dates push out, and business benefits reduce. This is a scary figure, and it happens because too few people spend time understanding the importance of a great implementation methodology. Let's look at some of the obvious pitfalls to avoid. Number 1. Mismatched expectations. It's the start of the project, and the customer and partner are discussing the project goals. The customer's focus is predominantly time, cost, and business benefits, but the partner is thinking more in terms of the software solution. Neither realizes that they have different perspectives, and both feel they have the right plan to move forward. Weeks later, as the solution starts taking shape, the customer gets visibility to what the partner is deploying, but somehow it's not what they expected. It's not as fast or easy to use as they hoped, or it simply won't do the job properly. Only then do they realize that costly changes will be required. Number 2. Information loss and delays due to staff change. Typically, the majority of documentation occurs at the start of a project, and after a while, the team becomes more familiar and less disciplined. So, when a key member is ill or leaves the company, it takes time to understand what they've completed and what's outstanding. Often, this involves days of testing and reviewing their code. Even worse, it's difficult to be absolutely sure that there are no hidden issues that present risk later in the implementation. Number 3. Lack of agility. A methodology should be scalable to accommodate projects of different types and sizes. If a one-size-fits-all approach, which treats all projects, small to large, in the same way, is applied, then it's unlikely that the implementation will be efficient. The process becomes restrictive, and the team resorts to creating ad hoc variations while deploying a mission-critical business system. But that's only part of the problem. Complex projects need experienced project managers with comprehensive business knowledge to decide which project types are relevant and when. Otherwise, delays are inevitable and costs will rise. Number 4. Inconsistency across territories. The core solution is being rolled out in several countries, but the vendor's training programs and project methodology aren't sufficiently comprehensive to prevent variations from one country to another. Project teams are required to make too many decisions at a local level. The result is that project quality, cost, and duration varies from country to country, and the customer misses an opportunity to harmonize activities and maximize commercial advantage. The project's ROI misses expectations. At Columbus, we're committed to exceeding our customers' expectations on benefits delivered, on time, and on budget. That's why our SureStep Plus methodology includes the following core components. A. Structured and detailed upfront analysis of customer expectations. B. Comprehensive, disciplined, and collaborative documentation. C. Clearly defined roles, responsibilities, and task allocation. D. Clearly defined change management and resource allocation. E. Consistent adoption and certification across all territories.
Customers are looking for fast and efficient implementations, and in order to do that, in order to achieve that, you need a structured approach, and that's what we call an implementation methodology. Columbus has both the size and the funds available to make a significant investment in this area, and this is what we have done with the methodology we call SureStep Plus.
Columbus's SureStep Plus is a proprietary methodology that has evolved from over 6,000 successful Columbus implementations. It is recognized by many as the leading methodology in the industry, evidenced by the fact that Microsoft recently contracted Columbus to write industry-specific extensions to SureStep. For more information, please visit our website